Hey you guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a clean with me routine video in my new house. So without any further ado, let's get it. Alright you guys, so my house is not usually this messy, but it got a little messy in the last couple of days, and it's just because we've been so busy and we just haven't been cleaning up like we should, or straightening up I should say. So we're going to clean up the downstairs part, okay? So one thing that I like to do first is I like to start from the door and make my way back to the kitchen. So as you guys can see, we have this bench here. It's a shoe holder slash seat slash book bag purse key holder, and I love this. We got it from IKEA and it really comes in handy. So I put our shoes, me and the kids' shoes at the top, and then I put the big guy's shoes at the bottom because his shoes are obviously bigger. So because we've just been running in and out of the house, we've just been putting our stuff on top of the seat, like our lunch boxes or the kids' lunch box, my papers and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put the shoes here that we wear, you know, occasionally down here, and then take anything else and put it in each room, like each closet. So Tristan started getting a little clingy, so of course I gotta keep him with me at all times. So I'm just gonna come to the dishes and start getting that in order. And I had to wrap him up because he was like really clingy, and because I was cleaning during his nap time. So he's gonna fall asleep eventually, and then I'll have my hands free and my body free. Yay! So after I'm done with the kitchen, I move on to the living room, just get that situated. So this is the biggest area in our house, so it takes me a little longer to straighten this area up because I like to do things a little detailed and everything. Like I like to dust the blinds to get the dust off of the blinds because I love these blinds. They're really nice. And then you know, I straighten up, vacuum inside of the couch, vacuum under the couch. So as you guys can see, Tristan is asleep. So when he's asleep or when I don't have him, I like to do things very detailed. Like I said, I just clean up everything. But in this case, I'm just going to do the basics, but get what needs to be done. Like our blinds were already dusty, so I had to make sure that I dust everything. So like I said, I pick up stuff from under the couch, vacuum under the couch, vacuum the rug, I sweep on the rug, and as you guys can see, I have some laundry to take care of, so I have to fold the clothes. Since I do our laundry at the same time, so I'll do lights, darks, colors, you know, towels and everything, all of our clothes at once, I have to separate our clothes just to make sure I put it in everybody's closet. I just have to make sure I put it in everybody's closet. So I'll put the big guy stuff in one pile, then I put the kids stuff in one pile, then I put my stuff in one pile, just so that way everything goes in the right area, in the right drawer, in the right closet, and all that good stuff. And as you guys can see, I love how our clothes smell. Now onto the toys. So this area is pretty much the kids' play area because we do not have a playroom in this house. We will get one eventually in our new house whenever we decide to move again, but for right now we just have to make do with what we have. So I'm thinking about finding like a shelf system or something, I don't know, something to put in this area because we're going to move the turtle tank out of the area, actually out of our house to be honest. But I'm trying to find something where the kids can just play in that designated area, just so that way their stuff's not going all over the living room. So if you guys can help me or have any suggestions, please let me know so I can start doing some research. Once I'm done with the toys, I'm going to move on to the dining area. So yes, this is our little dining area. So we are thinking about getting a new dining set because this table, we had it in our old house and, you know, it served its purpose. We love it and we're thankful for it because, you know, this is where we eat dinner at. Sometimes we eat dinner at the island, but most times we eat at the table. But I just feel like this table doesn't really blend in with this house. So I'm thinking about getting like a bench table, like a table with a bench on one side and chairs on the other. It's hard to explain, but I can leave a link if you guys are interested or want to see what I'm talking about. So I'm about to get this table clean because the kids like to put all their junk, their arts and crafts on this table, and we eat at this table, so we gotta get it clean ASAP. It's a spring spray from Target. I don't know if you guys have seen their line of spring, I think it's Everspring. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, but I like it because it's natural, it smells really good, and it gets the job done. So that's what I'm using in this video.
Perfect.
So after I'm done with the dining area, I move back to the kitchen because I gotta finish it up. I swear cleaning up the kitchen is like a 2-day job because you gotta do this, do that, clean the cabinets, clean the dishes, put the dishes up. It's never stopping, okay? But I have to make sure that I get it done. I have to make sure I get the counters clean, cabinets clean, stove clean. Everything has to be clean because I just want my house to be clean. I might have kids, but this house is gonna be clean. It's too nice for this house to not be clean, okay? So we're gonna get it done.
Perfect.
After I'm done with the kitchen, I move back to the living room to finish dusting and to clean the glass on our shelving system that we have in our living room. Most times I vacuum the rug, but in this case I sweep it because it wasn't bad looking, but there were a few crumbs that could have just been swept up. There's no need to plug in the vacuum cleaner, so I just sweep the area just to get it on the hardwood, floor, and then I sweep it up and go about my business. after I'm done, I light a candle to get this house smelling good. It's smelling nice. And right now I am loving the white pumpkin candle at Bath and Body Works. You guys, this stuff smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I put in another plug-in on the wall. I usually use my Bath and Body Works, but I'm using Glade right now because I have to finish up the plugins that I have already. And I just love my little table, you guys. Since we don't have an actual entryway, I wanted an entryway table, so this is so perfect here. So our house is finally nice and clean, you guys. Finally. Oh my goodness. Our house is finally clean, you guys. So I will be doing more clean with me videos. I want to show you guys how I clean Trish's room, my office, my bedroom, our closet. I just have so many clean with me's that I have planned to do, so stay tuned for those. And if you guys would like to see more of those, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.